Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Nokia X30. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here navigate to the search and enter Firefox. Now select this browser. Here I have it installed, so I will uninstall and click on install again. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now you can customize the browser, so choose a different theme, you can pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch the privacy settings and read the privacy settings. And finally, click on start browsing. Open any website and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.